Principle number 8 deals with international transfers. This is not sometimes included in the privacy principles per se, but I really do include it because it's important that we understand that from a government perspective, from a regulator perspective, there are genuine concerns about where citizens' information might be sent and disclosed, particularly from a security standpoint. We're seeing a lot of concerns from US governments, European governments about other governments having access to information and using that for nefarious purposes. So when we're transferring data outside of the country, we've got to make sure it's adequately protected. Now, in most cases, that is a lot of governments will nominate other countries that have similar protections and legal frameworks that would protect information to the same standard. And in those cases, we're generally okay to do what we need. But if we're sending it to a country that might not have those adequate levels of protections, then there's additional things we need to make sure of. Have we got contractual clauses that give us that guarantee of how they're going to manage information? Are there binding corporate rules or codes of conduct, for example? So we also want to make sure we're taking steps to monitor those activities. Just because someone says they're doing something doesn't necessarily make it so. So the questions that you should be asking are along the lines of, well, where is this information going to be stored? Will any overseas entities have access to this information? And what protections are in place to protect that data from misuse, etc.